Welcome back everybody to Hillbilly Garage. I really didn't expect to make a whole ass brake video on this 92 Ranger, but it ended up being a huge pain in the ass because everything was rusted, pain in the ass to get out. I had to melt one of my bolts to get them out and all kinds of other crap. So I hope y'all enjoy the clips. I'm sorry they're in they aren't in landscape view because I was really just trying to make short clips and put them on my shorts. I did throw some out there, so check those out. But anyway, here's the full video of us doing the brakes on my Ford Ranger. I hope y'all enjoy them. Please hit the like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Yes, we're working in the road. Got a whole other problem. The lug bolt. The whole thing is stripped and turning. So we can't get it out, get it loose or nothing. It's all turning. So now we gotta figure out how to get it to stop turning so we can get the lug nut off.
Jesus, your mother.
Stripped lug bolt and lug nut on this Ranger. So now we're gonna have to try and break them and snap them to get that thing out of there. We ended up having to take it to a shop down the road, have it melted out because we couldn't get it to snap. Nothing was working the way we wanted to. Also, when changing brake pads on an older Ford Ranger or some older trucks, if you ain't got a bolt to take the brake pads off, there's these little pins that sit in here. You just got to get something and beat these pins out. And you can take that whole caliper right off, set it up top. Don't bend your line right here. And then you can change your pads, put them back on, and beat those pins back in. It's just a little bit different than what most people are used to with the bolts. But there's a pin at the top, and then there's a pin down here at the bottom of the brake caliper. So just a little bit of a tip for older vehicles, those of you that aren't familiar with them. You do the same. There they are. So that's the cylinder. Now we're trying to push it in. It got ate up pretty bad and just completely busted up on us. The original Ford factory ones. These are the new ones. That one's a little more shinier. But they're just refurbished factory ones. They're pretty cheap, 26 bucks. But it's nuts, you gotta buy lug nuts for it. And they're more than just buying 2 new calipers. Or 1 caliper, should I say.
New caliber.
It's best to take your back brake pad and put it against the rotor, and then put the new caliper on there with the other rotor in it, but then try and hold it in and put the caliper with it. It's a lot easier. Alright, and then you just place it right on and then beat the new pins in. Always remember to do your bottom pin first before the top pin.
I swear. It's the most stupid shit.
Always remember. Just a quick mechanic tip. If you have any lug nuts on your tires with these old plastic covers that go over top of the lug nut, you'll see them on a lot of older Fords and Chevys and stuff. Like, I guess they're supposed to help add some beauty to them. They're junk. Get rid of them all. Take them off your lug nuts. They make them difficult to get some of them off if they've sat on there for years. So don't use them. Just a tip I figured I'd kind of offer to you, because over time they get kind of like super corroded onto them and they're hard to get the lug nuts off the tire.